નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
This is part 7 of Standard 6, Chapter 2, Components of Food. In the last part, that is sixth part, we discussed about activity 3 as well as we discussed what is complete food. And we come to know that during the process of cooking, some of the vitamins or minerals may easily get destroyed. So we should take care of it. Now, today, let's try to understand deficiency disease. Today's our topic is deficiency disease. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. Understand once again. See, a person is getting enough food. That means whatever his diet is there, he is getting that food. But a particular nutrient is continuously not available in it, say protein. Then he is not eating protein, or else we can say his diet or food was not containing protein. बाकी सब न्यूट्रिएंट्स उसमें होते हैं, बट पर्टिकुलर प्रोटीन इज नॉट देयर इन हिज फूड फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Means the person is not eating such food so that a particular nutrient is not getting, then what happen? He may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrient over a long period are called deficiency disease. Remember this. Disease that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period of time are called deficiency disease. Now let me make you understand lack of nutrient. Lack of nutrient means non-availability of nutrient in particular food. Lack of nutrient means non-availability of nutrients, that is lack of. So what happens if a person do not eat particular nutrient for a long period of time? Then he may suffer from deficiency diseases. If a person does not get enough proteins in his or her food for a long time, he or she likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. Let's understand this. If a person does not get enough protein, see, enough protein, that is balanced protein. So in his food, his food is lacking of protein. Small quantity of protein he is getting, not enough. Then what happens? And that to be for a long time, long period of time. Then he or she likely to have stunted growth. जो होना चाहिए उसका ग्रोथ, उसके बॉडी का ग्रोथ जो होना चाहिए उससे कम, दैट इज स्टंटेड ग्रोथ, कम ग्रोथ. एज वेल एज स्वेलिंग ऑफ फेस. उसके मुंह पर ऑलवेज सूजन होती है. जैसे हम सोने के बाद उठते हैं तो जो समटाइम्स और फेस लुक्स स्वेल्ड, इजंट इट, दैट टाइप ऑफ. तो उसके फेस ऊपर एवरी टाइम स्वेलिंग होती है. एक तो वो दुबला पतला होता है, स्टंटेड ग्रोथ होता है. दूसरा क्या होता है? स्वेलिंग ऑफ फेस. दैट एंड द अदर थिंग, डिसकलरेशन ऑफ हेयर. सपोज बाल सफ़ेद हो जाते हैं, है ना. So discoloration of hair. skin diseases, and diarrhea. One of these symptoms or all these symptoms might be there if a person's food is lacking of protein. Okay, then if the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, see, previously it was lacking of only protein, now the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and protein both for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. See, if protein is not there, then there was stunted growth. But if carbohydrates and protein both are not there for long period of time, then what will happen? Growth may stop completely. Growth ही नहीं होगा बॉडी का. Such a person become very lean, बहुत and thin, very lean and thin, बहुत दुबला पतला जिसको बोलते हैं, and so weak means disability of to do something, that is weak, मतलब without energy, that is so weak that he or she may not even be able to move. इतना वीक हो जाता है बॉडी, उसके बॉडी में इतनी ताकत भी नहीं होती है, सो दैट के ही और शी कैन मूव विथ हिम और हर सेल्फ. सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम बाय if his or her diet is deficient from carbohydrates and proteins. Let's see further. Deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain disease or disorders. See, we discussed about carbohydrate as well as protein. Now here, deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases or disorders. Some of these are mentioned in table 2.3. This table we will discuss sometime later. Let's discuss first of all this one. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. Understand very well these two lines. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. In this chapter, we asked ourselves the reason why widely varying food from different regions had a common distribution. That means what? Okay, bhai, in different states there is to be variety of foods, but common distribution is there. That is what? Everywhere in their food, let it be they are eating idli sambar, all these things, let it be they are eating dal roti, dal bati, something like that. Like us, somebody is taking rotli shak dal bhat, or like Punjabi, makke di roti, saag of sarson ka saag, like that. But everywhere you will find there is a grain, there is a pulses, there is a fruits, there is a vegetables, everything is there in their food. So that is a variety, that is a distribution of food, not same but distribution. Suppose we are eating roti, but in south they are eating rice, but there is a grain in their dish. That is, this distribution we find ensures that our meals have a balance of the different nutrients needed by the body. So herewith actually our chapter is finished, but before discussing this table we cannot complete our chapter. This is very important table, let me tell you, and remember full table because there are many questions available in this table. So let's try to understand this table. Let me see the time. Okay, some diseases or disorders caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. See, if vitamin A, the deficiency of vitamin A, then what happens? Loss of vision. मतलब symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, that is night, at night, sometimes complete loss of vision. So if there is deficiency of vitamin A, आंखों का देखना कम हो जाता है, isn't it? Now if there is deficiency of vitamin B1, then what is this? The name of that problem is beriberi. This is a disease. Weak muscles and very little energy to work. Weak muscles, उसके muscles ही weak होते हैं, that is why he cannot do much more work, and that to be energy भी नहीं होती है, little energy होती है, that is beriberi, पूरे दिन थकान महसूस होती है. Then if there is deficiency of vitamin C, the name of disorder or disease is scurvy. Scurvy, remember very well, in which what happens? Bleeding gums, अपने मसूड़ों में से लहू निकलना, bleeding gums. Wounds take longer time to heal. if कहीं पे लगा है तो जल्दी से वो healing नहीं होता है, it takes longer time to heal. Then if there is deficiency of vitamin D, that is rickets. डिसीज होता है rickets. उसमें क्या होता है? बोन्स बिकम सॉफ्ट एंड बेंट. बोन्स जो होते हैं वो सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं एंड बेंट हो जाते हैं, मतलब जो उसका शेप होता है उससे वो बेंट हो जाते हैं. दैट इज लैक ऑफ विटामिन डी. एंड इफ देर इज deficiency of the mineral calcium is a mineral, then what happens? Bone and tooth decay मतलब उसमें in ગુજરાતી let me tell you, પોલાણ થઈ જાય. બોન અને ટૂથમાં પોલાણ થઈ જાય, એ વીક પડી જાય. weak bones, tooth decay. Then iodine also a mineral. If this deficiency of iodine is there, then this is the name of the disease is goiter. Glands in the neck appear swollen. Mental disability in children. गोइटर का जो रोग होता है उससे क्या होता है? तो ग्लैंड्स, अपने गले में एक ग्लैंड होती है, तो उसकी वजह से वहाँ पे स्वोलन, सूजन हो जाती है. और मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी इन चिल्ड्रन, अगर बच्चों को होता है तो मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी हो जाती है. देन इफ देर इज ए डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयरन, दिस इज ऑल्सो ए काइंड ऑफ मिनरल, then the disease is anemia, in which weakness, one feel weakness. See, actually in anemia what happens? जो हीमोग्लोबिन है वो कम हो जाता है. यू नो इन ब्लड देर इज ए रेड ब्लड सेल्स, तो उसमें अपने बोलते हैं कि लहू की कमी हो गई. एक्चुअली द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ हीमोग्लोबिन की कमी हो जाती है तो क्या होता है? जो ऑक्सीजन है वो सक कम कर पाता है, मतलब ब्लड में ऑक्सीजन कम हो जाता है. ऑक्सीजन कम हो जाता है ब्लड में तो क्या होगा? सभी पार्ट्स को ऑक्सीजन कम मिलेगा इन आवर बॉडी. और अगर ऑक्सीजन कम मिलेगा तो क्या होगा? वो बॉडी फील वीकनेस. ओके, सो दैट इज एनीमिया. That is an anemia. Okay, by this time we are ending our part. Why? Because it is ending, and with this we are finishing our chapter also. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.